Now Mia was very surprised. He just could not stop himself, and off he went hopping to the woodcutter. And hello, brother, he said. If you don't mind, can I ask you question again? Again, he want to ask question to woodcutter. Then woodcutter replied, not at all. Ask whatever you want. Okay, ask whatever, freely you can ask to me whatever you want. So Mia Belesti said, this morning you told me that you blew on your hands to warm them up. Now you are blowing on to this potato which is already so hot. Why do you want to make it hotter? So that's he reply woodcutter replied, no, no, my little friend, this potato is too hot. I'm blowing on it to cool down. In this time, that Mia Belesti was very confused. Array, he in the morning he was blowing on his hand to keep his hand warm, and again he blowing on hot potato. How it is possible? So when he heard this Mia Belesti, when he heard this, no, so Mia Belesti face become white, and he began to tremble. He began to tremble means he was troubling means what? Trembling means what? कांपना भीति के मारे. So he began to tremble with fear and started to back away. He was afraid. So the woodcutter was good man. He said, what's wrong, man? Are you are you troubling because of cold? So, but Mia Belesti kept going backward. When he was safe distance away, he said to himself, what kind of creature is this? ये कैसा कैसा इंसान है, कैसा क्रिएचर है, अजब है. So surely he must be ghost or jinn. So blow hot, blow cold with the same mouths, with the same breath. It is not possible. So that's right. There are some things which just cannot be, but they are. Now see, for listening these things to from woodcutter, now that time Mia Belesti was amazed, surprised, and he was scared. So he troubling भीति से कांप उठा, और he was thinking that he was not woodcutter was not normal person. Maybe he was a ghost or he was a jinn, and he run away from that place. See now, student, as we saw in the video, we blow air to cool hot things. Okay, when we blow to from our mouth to cool things, cool hot things, when we blow air to cool hot things, in the same time also we blow air to warm cold things also. These two things we are doing uh, in one breath, in same breath. So we blow air to cool hot things also, and we blow air to warm cold thing also. So how this possible? It is not magic, students. See, it is a science. When we blow air to cool hot things, no, that time our breath is uh, little warmer than that hot things. That's why we can cool hot things by our breath, by blowing this thing, by blowing air. So in winter, no, when our hands frozen, that time the temperature of our hand is less than our breath, due to the, and our breath is warmer than our breath is warmer than our hand. That's why when we blow air on our hand, that time our hand get warmer. So this is happen because of our blowing air. Now see, have you warm your hand in winter by blowing on them when they are cold? How does it feel? So yes, you have to write answer like this. I have warmed my hand in winter by blowing on them when they are cold. It feel quite comfortable. Blow hard from your mouth on onto your hands. How did you find the air from your mouth as compared to the air around. What is hotter or cooler? What is cooler and what is hotter? You have to write like this. When I blow hard from my mouth onto my hands, the air from my mouth feel hotter as compared to air around it, right? Now put your hands at some distance from your mouth and blow again. Does the air from your mouth feel warm or why? Now you have to do this things right now and you have to write your observation over here. When hands are put at some distance from the mouth, the air blow from mouth does not feel much warmer. Why this happens? Because the air travels some distance and get mixed up with the air around it. When we blow, that air travels some distance and it get mixed up with the air around it.